The all-new Banalari Nexa showroom is now open at Mauyongrim near ISBT. Explore premium Nexa cars, book your favorite, and take a test drive. Nexa. Create, inspire.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
The next gen Tata Tiago. Dual tone interior, dual smartphone deck but wireless charger, blind view monitor, bakiway. Tek kum ki kaliram, hagador ke bejam, tak sao point riulak. Just wow.
Kasorkar Meghalaya hakakat artrik nailar aja upon Rio. Kelapan pendapat ba yaka IEC campaign araja upon Rio dakababu Ahmad yaka thong man pensngau thu yaki brio ki bangan haka jingpang HIV/AIDS bikin wan syahmat panli tes sebab kinyo yaki la jing sumar bala ai dak sorkar. Yaka ni campaign dapan pendapat ba do menteri katanat kakot kakya kasorkar jela uba wailat miki shela haka jinggalang kaplalong halia dikin college Shillong. Haka jingarak hi yaka International Youth Day. Kathong jong kani campaign kalong man penia reka jingpan banapai ba kanang manyo isimenta pura leki beri kebedan yaka ni ka jingpang. Kat kum ki jingtem ki balapan mi daka Meghalaya AIDS Control Society hau nai wing aja pesan pala chipo Hajar ngut ki beriu kentup kumba san spa ngut ki khanaret lalap bakidon yaka ni ka jingpang HIV/AIDS.
The scheme which be disseminated to all the schools and colleges. And in second place, it's Alice Horizontal. And in third place, we have Ms. Chiama Al-Mara.
That there is a certain stigma, associated with this, and as a result, people are not coming forward. So there is a discontinuation of the treatment. When our, at the time of testing, certain contact number, addresses are given, and later on when we try to follow it up, we are not able to contact them. So I hope you understand. So if we have to come out of that, mentality, and we have to speak about it and make it more liberal, and that's where our Honourable Minister was emphasizing about all these aspects of the HIV/AIDS scenario.
That's why the state government is coming up with this 5-year plan. No doubt in the past, because we got the complaint that because we still have very less ART, especially in the rural areas. So that's why, in order to increase the number of ART centers and all these testing centers, so that's why we are coming up with this 5-year plan. And I'm very thankful to the cabinet that it's already approved. So very soon, this is one of the part that we are launching with this intensified campaign as well. Because see, if we increase the number of treatment center or ART center, if the people are not coming forward, if they don't come for treatment, then it is no point. So that's why it's equally important that we intensified our this IEC program, and also at the same time, right now I can fully say that we have the fund in hand. Now we can side by side we can increase the number of this testing and also the treatment center. There as a whole, as such, but not particularly for HIV. Because for testing of this HIV and then CD4 count and all, we don't need doctors actually. So we have adequate equipments, and within this 5-year plan, so we can increase the number of manpower also now. So to say that shortage of doctor, it's for HIV, it's not there. But as general, there is a shortage of doctor in our state. We discuss with the commissioner as well that in the 5-year plan, and also we are sitting with this community, with these people living with HIV, this group. So this network is there. So we will be sitting with them and to know actually what is stopping them to come forward. So no doubt, stigma was one of the issue, and also ultimately it is privacy. The confidentiality, it's but as you all know, it is already in the policy that as a government we cannot share. This is all confidential.
Forum, and in fact last year Honorable CM had chaired the meeting also, and very soon he'll be chairing another meeting. Yeah, they're very much part and parcel of our efforts. Yes.
Iperti yang tau ke Iwan, kawi ke perom kuah kanai pi.
Ivan,ไปคอนแบมกว่าลายสกอมกันตอมฉันแน่พลังนี่ทำเป็นบทอย่างกินหลักพา
บนเส้นกิบรุงจุกลีพาเกียงตั้งกี่ขมัดพร้อมชนะยี่หยอกพยได้
กองอีวันอ่องเราเองก็เป็นผู้สู้ยากระมอต่อระบุนรายกระเต็มเอเทียร์ดีพี่ก็กองกันนะ
อยากคิดวิวงานนี่นะมาแม่คิดวิ่งมาวันนี้ตะวันแอมยาวฮะ
แม่สเตลงามสร้างเกี่ยวกับเก่า
Tapi ni benda yang pergi ke kuat ulai ni training ke boleh benai ni mata bau cina bau sains suruh.
Ngak kuah amal lai.
Tang hikai ni suruh ya gini perlok dewa wong. Hikai ko Nongkyndong daga sampul desain ko ar dah hikai daga desain mana je ya kan ga sampul desain.
Segini ke cek tu ram sor ke arma.
Kampung dah terang laduk mesin dia sikit dah kamu kuah.